I am learning English right now. I am baking cupcakes for all of us. She is sleeping in her room.
He is packing up his suitcase for next trip.
I am working with my colleague in the office. I am swimming in the swimming pool. I am eating fresh strawberries. It's always raining in London. I am digging up some soil to plant roses. They are playing football outside. We are planning for a book event. I am cooking dinner. I am exercising in the park. The school bus is coming towards us. The teacher is teaching in the classroom. I am going to the cafe with my friends. I am cleaning my room.